All right, let's give this little booger a go. All right, so we're in Excel on a Mac, and specifically M1 if you need to know. And we are going to record our first macro. So first thing you have to do is make sure that you have the developer tab. And so I already have it, but the way you put it on your ribbon is you go to Excel, Preferences, and then you look for Ribbon and Toolbar. Click on that, and then you look for the Developer tab, and that'll be on the right under Customize Ribbons. And so you'll probably see it. If it's not check mark, just hit check mark and hit OK. If you do that and it doesn't pop up, try closing Excel and or rebooting. You shouldn't have to do that, but you never know. All right, so now I'm going to record my first one. So I'm just going to I'm going to select a cell over here. And so you're going to hear my air conditioner kick in. So let me turn that off for a split sec. Maybe not. There you go. All right, so let's start again. So we're going to record a macro. So I selected a cell already. I'm going to go to record macro. And my options here for recording macro is I have to name it. So I'm going to give my macro a name. I am going to make sure that I have selected where I want to store the macro, and I want to store it just in this workbook right now. That's my option. And then shortcut key, I'm going to put a little N in here. So notice it says shortcut key, Option Command N. Going to test something, but what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to do it in order, Option Command little N. So I'm just going to put my name in. And so now I'm actually recording even though I haven't done anything yet. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name in a cell. I'm going to hit enter or return, whatever you like to call it, and I'm going to hit stop recording. Now I'm going to try it. So it was Option Command N. So I'm hitting Option Command little n. There you go. It did it. So watch again. So I'm going to select a cell, Option Command N. It typed my name again. So let me do one more time. So it's Option Command N. Now I'm going to try Command Option N. Let's try again, Command Option N. So it looks like it works. Let's do one in here, Option Command N. All right, so that works. And then if you want to check it out, you can go to macros, and you'll see up here where it has a open field that's highlighted. That's for your next macro. So you have to go down here, select my name because that's what I called it. And then if you want to see what's going on, you can go in options, and you see the shortcut key again. You see the description, everything's there. And so now what I'm going to try to do is notice again that I have chosen the macro I just made. And then I'm going to hit, let's see, let me do this over. I'm going to select the cell down here. And then I'm going to go back to macros. I'm going to select my macro, and I am going to hit run. And notice it did it. So now let's do one more thing. So now again, I open my macros, and I think I did not select the cell yet, but I'm going to hit run. And I don't think it did it. So let's see. Now I'm going to try. This one is selected, macro, run, and it did it. All right, so as long as the cell is selected and you hit macro, you have hit run, and it does it. So I think we're good. Let's give it a shot. Let me see what the recording looks like. Thanks. Have a good day.